So, hello traders and investors, welcome to the trading direction. Today we have conducted a wonderful session for profitable trading strategies with psychology. Mr. Sachin and Mr. Augustine is with us. What they learned during the day and videos and what is the value addition in their knowledge, let's understand from the participant. Yes, Sachin sir.
Yes, sir. I've been trading since last almost 10 years now. And with the course which we have done, one day course of Anil Sir, where he's teaching about more of the psychology and how your mindset should be applied while trading. And also the 180 reversal pattern, which none of the instructors has been taught yet, where you can take small profits with a very small stop loss, and also CPR using the EMA, and with the EMA where exactly you need to take the trade, the specific points or the area where you need to take the trade, and that would be very helpful for a trader like me who can actually take few points and can then sit and relax. So I really like that the part about the course, and I'm grateful that I have joined, and we'll be looking forward for the mentorship program probably. Thank you.
Excellent. Welcome, sir. Yes, Augustine sir, you can unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, you can share your feedback, sir.
Yeah. So one is awareness of concepts. So initially I was aware of concepts, but then I was not clear on how to use CPR, what are the different strategies, etc. And even within strategies, there are parameters that we need to be mindful of before taking a trade. For example, the bullish zone and the bearish zone, and what kind of trades we should take in each zone is something that I was not aware, and that used to be my mistakes. And even not waiting for a retracel at certain specific breakouts and taking a trade cost me loss, and then made me book losses earlier, but then I saw the market reversing and going up, and so that used to be a common scenario. So a lot of awareness has come into this. The second aspect is in terms of managing the position as a beginner, as to how to trade in one lot, how to enter and how to exit, how to trade the stop loss, and what should be the stop loss, what should be the capital employed is something that I never had. We usually used to go for 1%, 2%. At times, when the stop loss was hitting regularly, I used to give 5%, 10%. But it was a never-ending phenomenon. So now I got a better idea of how to manage the trades, and I think it is very valuable information. Thank you so much, and I really enjoyed the session. Very informative. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable feedback.